Yeah, one life, one soul. Hey. Too many nights in the cold rain, too many scars and too much pain. But I still stand with my head high, still got fire burning inside. Them say the world's too dark to change, but every lion break the cage. And every heartbeat in my chest keep telling me I'm not finished yet. I can feel the pressure rising, but I won't let it pull me down. Every shadow that surrounds me only makes me stronger. Every dream begins with one fight. Every soul can find a new way. Every night can turn to daylight. No change can hold this energy. No fear can steal what's meant to be. And even when the road gets hard, the strongest hearts leave deepest scars. If you feel lost, if you feel broken, if the world left you so wide open, remember this, the storm will pass and your flames will always last. We are the fire, stronger than the shadows. We are alive and we won't fade away. No sky is open wide and the pain is far behind. Every fall just made us fight. Now we own the night. We rise again. This is the end of the rise into the light. We survive.